that's just our all beef little smokies into our hot oil. It's been 3 minutes, and look at our beautiful brown smokies. Alrighty, let's get these to the counter. Alrighty, y'all. I've got my sausages here, and I'm grabbing my hard-boiled eggs. Just gonna roll. Just like that. All right, I'm grabbing another bowl here, and we're just gonna start putting our yolks in there. We're making a super yummy little treat today. This is perfect for the barbecue this summer. There's Memorial Day coming up, the Kentucky Derby coming up. This is gonna be such a yummy, easy little treat here, y'all. I think you're really gonna like it. All right, I'm just gonna come in here with my fork and get these a little bit crunched up, y'all. I know what you're thinking. You know what we're making, but we are making it with a twist today. It's gonna be super cute, super easy, super fun. All right, that looks good. Okay, we're coming in with our Best Foods real mayonnaise. And I'm gonna be adding in a good amount of this. We're gonna eyeball. That's probably about half a cup. A little bit of mustard. Should have shook this up. There we go. And y'all can just do this to your own taste. I'm putting in a little relish in here, or relish juice. Controversial ingredient, but a splash of pickle juice. Touch of hot sauce. Perfect. Some ground black pepper. This grinder never comes out as quick as I want it to. Oh, it's good. A little bit of my Old Bay seasoning. Perfect. Can't have deviled eggs without garlic powder. Oops. Shaking it on the counter. A little bit of onion powder. And some paprika. Woo! Paprika just likes to come out quick. All right, we're gonna get this all mixed. Mixed. Y'all tell me what you put in your deviled eggs. Now these are gonna be, like I said, a little special treat I think you're really gonna like. But if you do yours different than this, let me know. I would love to hear what you put in yours. All right, y'all. It could be a tiny bit thicker, so I am just putting in a little bit of my instant mashed potatoes to thicken this up. Stir those babies in there. Just gonna give us a more consistent texture and make these a little bit stiffer so they hold their shape. Alrighty, I'm bringing in a cup here. I've got a piping bag with a tip already attached. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna use my spatula to get this in. Alrighty. Start with our little babies on here. All right, we're gonna fill and we're gonna drag it over a little bit. You're gonna see why. This is gonna be so easy, y'all. This is such a fun appetizer. I think I'm gonna make this again this weekend for the Kentucky Derby. Who's watching? Who are you favoring? Just gonna come in with those little smokies. Press these little guys in there. And this is the part you wanna take your time with. Look at that. What I'm gonna do now, we're just gonna kinda fluff around that little smoky. You can sort of use your bag tip to spread this just a little bit. Because we just want to kind of fill this whole white part on top so we're not seeing the egg itself. All right, I think you guys might have an idea what this is supposed to be. I'm just coming in with my little mustard for a little drizzle. If you've got a ketchup with a small nozzle, you could do that too. That would be so cute. Alrighty guys, I've only got my Easter egg plate. Don't judge. I did see a really cute way you could make a all-season egg plate that's not totally Easter themed. So I'll have to do that DIY a little bit later, show y'all. All right. Those are little mini hot dog deviled eggs. All right, y'all, we're off to the potluck, but these are so easy, so cute. You gotta try them.